See? I'm still have here the bed sheet to hang there. But the problem is I don't have space. The laundry yesterday is not yet dry. So yeah, I just have to wait until later. Exercise muna ako dito. I really love this tattoo, guys. William, do you have tattoo, my friend? So it will totally heal. I have lots of tattoo na. So madadagdagan pa to. I don't know when I have a new tattoo. It feels me so good. I realize YouTube demonetized many channels after they get not super chats. I think it's a scam for small channels. Well, yeah, here's my tattoo. Hello, Prasad. No problem. If you sleep late, we like to watch and talk with you. Sleep late. No, because I told you, just like you did not go to sleep. I told you, you become ugly. When you lack of sleep, you become ugly, and you don't, you know, your mind is like, it's not, you know, parang ang bilis-bilis mo mairita pag wala kang tulog. You know what, last night, I have 1 hour sleep. I sleep 4 o'clock in the morning. Hello, sis! Kumusta ka naman? Oy, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, sis! Thank you sa pagbisita sa aking live. You didn't see my tattoo? I forgot. Yeah, I am thinking you have tattoo. Because foreigner also love tattoo. I forgot. I'm planning to put on my tummy next, or right here, or right here, right here. No, I like right here. Here, going here. Or here. But I don't have there yet. Dito pa lang. Tsaka dito. Here, nothing. Uy! Nakita na yung clip ko. I want to put here also. And here. And here. My gosh. Ingat-ingat mo ba na to eh. Ay, dolor. Kunin ko na yung mga ibang ano doon, baka tuyo na.